Jeremiah, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say more?
Please.
Please. How do you say more?
Please.
No, we know how you say please.
Please.
More.
Ma.
Yeah. How you say mama?
Mama.
Mama.
Dada.
Dad. Mama. Dad. Dad.
Dada.
How you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Jeremiah, can you say can you say I love you? Show me how you say love you. Come here, stand up. Jeremiah, stand up. Come on. Jeremiah, look. Say cheese. Say cheese. Why not? Can you say love you? Jeremiah, what's this mean? Love you. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.